Hello guys, inside the previous video we have seen how can we create a MAC metal instance inside the AWS, right? Now in this video we are checking how to create new users. So first we need to access remote connections and then go to inside the EC2 instance and then go to the settings and inside the search bar we need to type user and groups and click on the user and groups buttons, and then you are able to see various type of users. I have already previously created my test user. So when I click on the that user now, so that required some permission to open that user permissions. So now I am clicking that user and allow as a admin access. I am not able to allow that user as a admin user due to some permission issues. So click in the search bar and type sharing. So there is a lot of option to allow some various permissions. When I click on screen sharing, by default screen sharing permission managed by the remote management service. When I click on the remote login options, it's allow for remote login for all users, and we can also allow for the specific users only. So when I click on the plus button, so after click on the plus button, we can set which user allowed to remote access login. After that, inside the remote login management, you can allow same scenario for the remote login management also. Now come back to the user and groups settings, and then when I click on the add new account, it's require admin user access password, right? Here is a EC2 user is a admin user, so we need to add that user password and then click on the unlock button. And now it's open one pop-up menu, and then we need to type which type of user we need to create. It's a standard user or admin user, and then fill up some other informations, and next we need to click on the create user button. Now you can see here inside the user list there is a one user is a testing, so that's we have created testing one user. So now we need to log out from the current user, and now see here testing one user available for the login. So now just type the testing one user password, and after hitting the password it's take a small time to login, and then we need to allow some setups. Click on not now, continue, setup later, continue, and now we are in the desktop. I hope you like this video, and for more video updates please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.